Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm here at campsite in Japan. As you can see, the cherry blossoms are in full bloom. Families are here laughing, eating, enjoying the outdoors together. And honestly, after spending so much time in the city, this fresh air and peace, it feels like a gift. In Islam, we believe that nature is one of the signs of God. And today, I'd like to share the feeling with you today. So let's take a walk together.
Today, I invite you to slow down with me. Under the cherry blossoms, in this peaceful campsite, surrounded by spring, I feel something rare, stillness. No cars, no noise, just the wind, the birds, and the gentle hum of life. Japan's springtime is quiet and breathtaking. The cherry blossoms fall like snow, and the air carries a sense of peace. I used to think I needed noise to feel alive, but here, I feel truly awake. In Islam, we learn that nature is not random. It's a sign, a reminder. Every petal is part of a perfect design. Every tree bends with wisdom. And here, under these blossoms, I remember the Creator. This isn't just camping, it's reconnecting with what matters. I hear the fire crackle, I see children laughing. I taste fresh air, and I remember, I need less than I thought. Sometimes we chase convenience, speed, and comfort, and lose our hearts along the way. But out here, we can remember what truly feeds the soul: connection, presence, gratitude. And sometimes, we forget how much noise we live with. Constant notifications, flashing screens, endless rushing. We are connected to the world, but disconnected from our own hearts. Out here, under the trees, I start to hear something quieter, something more honest. The sound of my own thoughts, the voice I don't listen to during busy days. And in that silence, I remember who I am. Not a worker, not a role, not a profile, just a soul, created, guided, sustained. Islam reminds us to return to fitra, our pure, original state, and maybe nature helps us do that. The trees don't compare themselves. The stars don't try to be brighter than each other. Everything in nature just exists, and that's enough. Maybe we are enough to. So I sit here, beneath the blossoms, with no need to achieve or prove, just to be present. And I thank Allah for this moment, for the breath in my lungs, for the calm in my chest, for the peace that visits without warning. Islam teaches us to say Alhamdulillah, not just when we succeed, but when we pause. So today, I say Alhamdulillah for the silence, the food, the warmth of the fire, and the beauty of the trees. My friend, when was the last time you truly felt calm? Have you ever felt close to God just by watching the sky or sitting in the woods? Please share your story in the comments and let us know your country too. Together, let's reflect, slow down, and remember what really matters. This world is nosy, but peace is still possible. And maybe it starts right here, under the cherry blossoms.
It looks very nice.
So let me ask you, when was the last time you truly felt calm? And what do you thank God for today? Please share your thoughts and your country.
I don't know.
Let's remind each other of the beauty that surrounds us.